Hi homeowners! When was the last time you cleaned your blinds? Dust and grime love to hide here, and most people forget all about them. Today, we'll show you a quick and easy way to get your blinds looking brand new. First, close your blinds fully and turn the slats down to create a flat cleaning surface. Next, grab a microfiber cloth or feather duster and wipe horizontally across each slat to remove surface dust. For stubborn debris, use your vacuum's soft brush attachment for a deeper clean. Then lightly dampen a cloth with water or a vinegar water mix and wipe each slat thoroughly. Don't forget to flip the blinds the opposite way and repeat the process on the other side. Finally, use a dry cloth to remove any moisture and prevent water spots. Clean blinds make a huge difference in your space, both visually and for air quality. Too busy to tackle this yourself? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today at 2-566-336-332 or visit bearbroscleaning.com because your blinds and your home deserve to be beery clean.